Bam! Watch out now, watch out, watch out now. Howdy, hey y'all, welcome back. Man, it's about to be a real quick video, so if you blink, you might miss it. So before we get started, make sure y'all go ahead and like the video, subscribe to my channel, share my videos with all your friends, all your family members, all your co-workers, and I really appreciate that. But let's go ahead and get into it. So as you saw in the introduction, I have all my low beam headlights are out. I only have one high beam headlight that's working at the moment. So we are illegal. So with that being said, man, I went to Walmart real quick and got a replacement bulbs for the low beams. Hopefully my pigtail connectors aren't burned out or anything. Hopefully they're still working and functioning properly. So we'll go ahead and remove those bulbs and get them replaced. So stay tuned, guys. Be real quick video, so don't get too bored, don't get too relaxed. It'll be over before you know it. Bam! All right, guys, I know it's a little dark, so you probably gonna be hard for you to see, so I got a flashlight. So if you look in here, and with this vehicle, if you have the 2013 Chevrolet Traverse, and that's probably why you're watching this video, you're not able to change these light bulbs from up under the hoods, which would have been easy, simple, fast, but GM, I guess they decided not to go that way. So you have to remove this inner fender well here, and to remove that, you have these bolts here. I don't know if you can see that bolt there, another one right up here. You want to remove those and then pull this inner fender liner back in order to access the bulbs. So we'll go ahead and get that done real quick. If yours are the same bolts, it'll be a hex bit, a T20 hex bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I got my electric wrench just to make it a little quicker. That's one. And here goes two. So now that you have those removed, there, and the one from up here, and now you're able to pull this in the fender well. Hopefully you guys can see. All right, guys, sorry about that. I want to zoom out my lens so you can see a little better. So you want to get in here and pull this in the fender well out. And if you look back up in there, I don't know if my camera's gonna pick it up the best. All right, I don't have enough hands, but I have my hand on the little cap that we need to remove right here, and righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So let's remove this cap, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And once you have it loose, it should just pop out like that. And then you want to grab the light itself, and I've already removed this one. It's on this little wire harness here. I've already removed this one so that I can replace the light. So let me grab a new bulb and I'll be right back. Guys, I know this video quality is probably not the best because of this lighting situation. I didn't know it was going to be this dark up under here. But now that you have the bulb itself, what you want to do is grab that pigtail. It's kind of tight in here. Let me see if I can get it connected. So once you have it connected, it should look something similar to this here. Then you want to grab it and put it back in that same slot that you took it out of. and they have notches in it. So once you put it back in that slot, you want to just kind of feel your way around it and make sure that it lines back up in that groove. And then once you get it to line back up, you want to give it like a quarter of a turn clockwise until it feel it lock in place. And that locked in place, perfect. So we good. We'll grab this dust cap shield and put it back on. And guys, sorry for the lighting. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. That's this side. And I won't. All right, so to reinstall that piece, I'm gonna take our bolt, put it back into the hole, make sure it lines up. Take our wrench. If you don't have electric, man, or air, make sure you guys get it. Makes things so much easier and faster. That's it. All right, that's that one. Now let's get this one in the top. All right, guys. And that's a better look at what the cap looks like. That'll be the cap right there. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, pull it out, and you see the light behind us. This is the other side. I didn't record taking it apart, but this is the other side. That's what the cap remove. And you get your hand in there, righty tighty, lefty loosey, you see the bulb come out of it. That's the bulb right there. And you just want to press this clip here, and that should release that bulb. Hard to do with one hand. I can't do it with one hand. Alright. And as we can see, if you look in this bulb, I don't know if the camera gonna pick it up, but if you look in this bulb, the little filament arm is broke. So that bulb isn't any good. Grab our new bulb, grab the wiring, and if you see there's a lip on the bulb, that goes into the slot here that you put. So once you snap it back in, take the light and you put it back in where it came from. And once you find the slot, you stick the light in. You got to seat it, and then once you get it seated, turn it a quarter of a turn clockwise, and that's it. All right, and once you got the bulb back in, now you can put the dust cap back on. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. And this cap only turns like a quarter of a turn. So that's it. And then I guess I record putting these screws back in. This is the other side, if you were wondering. All right, guys, that's it. And in case I didn't mention what size bulbs you need for this 2013 Chevrolet Traverse, you need H11s, and this is for your low beam headlights, H11s. All right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, guys, man, I appreciate you guys for watching and tuning into the video, man. We did go ahead and get that light bulb put in, as well as that for the dim lights. I still don't have bright lights on this side, but that will be in the up and coming next video. I'm show you guys how to change your bright lights. Thank you guys for watching, tuning in, and make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that hype button down there, hit the like button, subscribe, the dislike, whichever one you choose. I appreciate both of them. Thank you guys, and guess what? Peace.